So this is Addis Ababa. It's the capital city of Ethiopia, and we have a TV factory there.
Hello, my friend. Is it Charlie? How are you? Yeah, I haven't spoken to you in a bit. Good to hear from you.
Okay, Mr. Reza, you see this is the Performer US we have made for you, and this is the model number, this is the quantity, this is the price. Please check if it's okay with your side.
You guys are so professional. I trust you and I trust Amaz. Please support us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks for your trust to Amaz, and we hope we can go further together.
I'm sure we can.
Life is amazing with Amaz.
Thank you.